Yeah, I see it. It looks new. Yeah. What, new bike? New tires? No. Oh. You just put it on?
Last night.
Don't you have to have like a mechanic put it on? Or?
Nope.
Well, I thought it has to be like specific.
I put it on the stand.
Can't just fucking lift that bitch up.
So I let it go. How are you going to set it back down?
What? On my face?
No.
Alright, well I gotta get a tie loop.
You're a 4K. Stop.
Alright, I gotta get going now. Alright.
See ya.
not crazy. So, yep.
GoPro mounted.
Yep, need to get the other one mounted too. Oh, I didn't get that far over, but still pretty decent. I did put a knee on, so there was, oh yeah, getting it back.
Get a fucking trailer, we can start going on the track.
I know, I'm working on it.
I'm trying to find a fucking bike. I don't care if I gotta do a little bit. Rebuild that fucking engine and all that shit.
Yeah, that's not worth it.
No. Although I got the space. That's the other thing. For sure.
Yeah.
Anything else in there? Broken washing machine. Definitely got the truck. He's gonna get a fucking ball. Hold over.
I can get that in O'Reilly's.
Yeah. That's it. It's got the. It's not got the long fucking skinny wire plug in. It's got the round.
4-pin. Oh, the round, the 7-pin. Yeah, that's okay. They have a 7-pin and a 4-pin connector. Yeah. So that's okay.
Jeep's been doing good. I got 30 minutes with me down US 1 all over the fucking St. John River, which is Volusia County, but that way. So that's not far at all. But I don't know if I got to run the trail. Buy the gas.
Alright, so this is the AGV Pista GPRR Winter Test 2005 helmet, limited edition. And this is going to be the same install for pretty much any of the Pistas. The livery won't really change anything, but what I have on here is a pin lock, tinted smoke visor that is not racetrack approved. And so since I plan on going to racetrack, I got a racetrack approved visor. Alright, scratch resistant, UV resistant, and it says daytime, racetrack only, daytime use only. So we'll take this out the bag and get a better look at it. But I got this from Psycho Gear, if you're wondering how much it was. So it was $134.95 plus taxes, of course, and all that fun stuff. So let me open this up and then we'll go ahead and show you how to get it off. Okay, so you may have to put it in your lap because it's a little bit easier once you do it, and then use like a microfiber towel and like some visor cleaner to remove the fingerprints. But yeah, you just pull down the tabs and put it on and it snaps back in. It's a lot easier said than done, but the concept's pretty simple. And then you're gonna have this little piece here that's in here, so just pull that off and then put it on, make sure it's flush on the sides and everything, and that it was on properly. And then last thing you can do is peel the sticker off. And then yeah, so this one's not only darker, like you literally can't see anything into this, but it is racetrack approved for daytime use, so that's the most important thing. But I think it looks a lot better on the helmet. So anyway, this is the iridium silver mirror visor for the Pista.